Hello viewers, Lance Mechanics here. So I just went through troubleshooting on my RZR because I had to move it and it wouldn't start. So first thing you're going to do, turn the key, and if you hear a click down here, your relay right here is your start relay. So I hear it clicking. That tells me the control side circuit's working, but I could have a weak relay. So I swapped it around with the EPS. They are the same relays and it still isn't working. So next thing we're going to do is check out the starter. The starter is on the right passenger rear here. I'll get a light for you guys. It's just down in there, and I don't know if you can see, there's only one power wire going to it, so meaning that's just a motor. So there should be some type of starter solenoid somewhere. And it just happens to be over here. So as you can see, I already replaced it. If you're stuck in the bush, you should be able to jump those two wires. If it's an OEM relay, it might be very difficult, and I'll show you why. And by the way, that's a very bad place to have a relay. It is weather pack sealed, but it's still bad. So here is the OEM relay. If you're in the bush, this is gonna be hard to jump because of this little spacer right here. On the aftermarket one, there's no spacer there, but that also means these could touch potentially. So I did order an OEM one. I'm waiting for that. This is just to get it mobile. So if you're in the bush and you need to start it, jump these two contacts.